Hello, we're here for another product review, and today it's going to be on our Savory Pecan Rub. That's right. On this pecan rub, we're going to go over the bottle, the flavor, the product, everything there is. So let's just start with the bottle itself. It is a plastic bottle. On this side, you'll have our nutrition information, the ingredient statement, allergens. This is MSG free. It is gluten free. Um, and it is done with artificial pecan flavoring so that it can be nut free. Also is our UPC. On the front is our logo. It's in our competition blend. It's our name right here, and then it's in a 12.2 ounce shaker bottle. Scrolling it on around, you'll see the Pitmaster logo on the top, a little brief description of the product, and then the icons that we recommend that this can be used on. Now, for the bottom of it, that's going to be a use by date right there. The lid comes with a top section where you can shake it out, open it up and pour out or get spoonfuls. Take this off. There's our USDA safety seal. We'll peel that off. And as always, what I'll do is I'll just give it a quick aroma smell and see if I pick up anything unique or different. I get a really good a really good, it's a savory smell. I'm not real sure what the smell is, but it's not a sweetness type deal. We're going to pour some out right here. We will get it out. I'll get that over there. This is the product. Oh, this is what it looks like. I'm going to shake it. And the reason we shake it is so that you can see it doesn't separate. There's products in it that's supposed to keep that from happening, and that's exactly what that is. It is kind of a brown, a light brown color. Looking at it, there's not a lot of large products. I can kind of see a little bit of a large sugar type. There is some green flakes in there, but that's really about the largest two things. I'll try to separate out. I don't know if yeah, maybe you can almost see it right up front, right there. That's kind of about the biggest flake that I see. But let's taste this and let's see what we've got. I'm going to put this on the side of my mouth because that's where the best taste buds are, and I just want to see what I'm going to get. Believe it or not, I get a heat of a sweetness right up front, and and I know what the ingredient is, obviously, and it's a sweetness coming from a molasses is what that is. I don't get a heavy salt flavor, not at all. There's it's very savory. I get a whole bunch of stuff. I'm getting garlic, some celeries. It's really interesting, the combination. On a heat factor from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, this is probably a 3. It's got some, but it's not even halfway. I mean, I had it for about the first 5 to 15 seconds and it was gone. But extremely good flavor. Yeah. Sweetness I got front. I can get that pecan type flavoring that I'm expecting. And some of that may be coming from that molasses, but it's definitely a great savory pecan product there. This product can be used on pork chops. It can be used on pork loin, spare ribs, chicken. I know a lot of people put this right on their burgers. It can be used on beef also, But with the savoriness in it, this would also be an excellent product for wild game. Without a doubt, this would be a great product with that. This comes in, like I said, the 12.2 ounce shaker bottle. Also comes bulk in a 2-pound bag. This product can be found on our website under our rubs and seasonings. Or what I really would like for you to do is go to your favorite barbecue and outdoor grilling store, ask the manager where to find Butcher Barbecue products, and look for our Savory Pecan Rub.